Hello, friends. Welcome to my English learning channel. Today, I have a very emotional story for you. It is about life, hope, and never giving up. Come with me, watch the story, and learn English while feeling the emotions. Let's start. Chris was a man with big dreams. He lived in a small apartment with his wife and little son. He wanted a better life for his family. He wanted to be successful and happy. But life was very hard. Chris sold special machines to doctors. The machines were big and expensive. Many doctors did not want to buy them. Every day, Chris walked from hospital to hospital, trying to sell. Every day, people said, "No, thank you." Money was always a problem. Chris could not pay the rent. He could not pay all the bills. His wife was very tired. She worked long hours in a factory. She was angry, sad, and weak. One night, they fought. His wife shouted, "I cannot live like this! I am leaving!" Chris felt his heart break. He wanted to cry, but his little boy looked at him with big eyes. Chris knew he must be strong. Soon, the wife left. Chris was alone with his son. Only two of them. No money. No help. The days were dark. The fridge was empty. Sometimes Chris did not eat, so his son could eat. Sometimes they slept without light because they could not pay for electricity. Chris looked at his son sleeping. He thought, "I must not give up. I must fight. I must find a better life for my boy." And so, his long, hard journey began. Chris woke up early every morning. He took his son to school. Then he walked across the city to sell his machines. But no one wanted to buy. Doctors said, "Too expensive." Chris carried the heavy machine in his hands, but no money came. Soon, Chris could not pay rent. The landlord said, "You must leave the apartment." Chris and his little boy had no home. That night, they went to a shelter. But the shelter was full. Chris carried his son in the cold street. His boy asked, "Daddy, where are we going to sleep?" Chris smiled with pain in his heart. "Don't worry, my son. I am here." They found a public bathroom in the train station. Chris locked the door. He sat on the floor, held his son in his arms, and cried silently. His son slept, but Chris's tears fell. He whispered, "One day, life will be better." The next morning, they stood in a long line for food. Many poor people waited too. Chris felt shame, but he stayed strong for his boy. Every day was a fight. No bed, no food, no money, only love between father and son. Chris told himself, "I will never give up. I will never stop. Happiness will come." One day, Chris saw a man in a nice car. The man wore a good suit and looked happy. Chris asked him, "What do you do?" The man smiled. "I am a stockbroker." Chris did not understand the word, but he saw hope. A stockbroker worked with money. Maybe this was the road to a better life. Later, Chris learned about a big company. The company had a training program. It was not paid, but if he worked hard, maybe they would give him a real job. Chris wanted to try. He thought, this is my chance, maybe my only chance. But life became harder. He had to sell his machines to eat. He had to stand in long lines for food. Sometimes he finished work at the company, then ran fast to the shelter before it closed. If he was late, he and his son had no bed. Chris worked with no rest. In the day, he studied numbers. In the night, he held his son close and told him, "One day, we will be happy." His hands were tired, his heart was heavy, but his eyes were full of hope. The journey was long, the fight was hard, but Chris said to himself, "I must not stop. I must not lose this chance." Chris started his training at the big company. He wore the same old suit every day. He did not have money for new clothes, but he always tried to look clean. The training was very hard. Many smart people wanted the job. Only one person would win in the end. Chris thought, I must be that one. In the office, he answered phone calls fast. He studied numbers. He tried to be better than everyone else. But when work finished, his fight was not over. Chris ran with his son to the shelter. If they were too late, the doors closed. Many nights, they ran through the streets, holding hands, trying not to fall. Sometimes they made it. Sometimes they slept in the cold. His son once asked, "Daddy, why do we not have a home?" Chris looked into his little boy's eyes. He smiled and said, "Because we are strong. Because we are going to a better place." Inside, his heart was crying, but he never let his son see the tears. Chris was hungry, but he gave food to his boy first. Chris was tired, but he carried the heavy machines anyway. Every day was pain, but every day was also hope. He repeated to himself, "Don't stop, don't give up. Happiness is coming." Days passed. Weeks passed. Chris worked harder than ever. He wanted the job more than anyone. But life outside the office was still dark. His shoes had holes. His suit was old. Sometimes he had no money for bus tickets. He walked many miles to work. At night, he stood in long lines for food with his son. He carried his boy when his little legs were tired. Inside the company, Chris smiled. He wanted no one to see his pain. He spoke politely. He worked fast. He solved problems better than others. But at home. There was no home, only a small bed in the shelter, or sometimes the cold floor of a bathroom. One evening, Chris looked at his son sleeping. His son held a small toy in his hand. Chris whispered, "My boy, I promise, one day you will have a good life. I will never stop fighting for you." The final day of training came. The manager called Chris to the office. Chris sat down. His heart was beating fast. He thought, "Did I do enough? Or will they choose another man?" The room was quiet. The air was heavy. Chris waited for the words that could change his life forever. Chris sat in the office. His hands were shaking. He was ready for bad news. The manager looked at him and said softly, "Chris, we would like to offer you the job." Chris could not believe it. His eyes filled with tears. For a moment, he could not speak. "Me? Thank you, sir. Thank you," he whispered. He walked out of the office. He walked into the street. The sun was shining, but his eyes were wet. For months, he had no home. For months, he had no money. He cried in bathrooms. He ran to shelters. He carried pain every day. Now, at last, he had a future. Chris held his son's hand. He smiled with joy. "Daddy got the job," he said. His little boy laughed and hugged him. That night, they still slept in the shelter, but everything was different. Chris knew tomorrow would be better. The fight was not over, but hope was real. He whispered to himself, "This part of my life, this little part, is called happiness." Chris's life changed. He was no longer poor. He was no longer homeless. He had a job, a home, and food for his son. He had peace in his heart. One evening, Chris walked in the park with his boy. His son asked, "Daddy, are we happy now?" Chris smiled and said, "Yes, my son, we are happy. We fought, we never gave up, and now happiness is here." Chris learned one big lesson. Life is hard, but if you stay strong, if you work hard, if you keep hope alive, one day happiness will come. And this was not just the end of his story. It was the beginning of a new, brighter life. Thank you, my friends, for watching this story. The lesson is, life can be very hard, but never give up. Happiness will come. I hope you enjoyed this story and learned English with me. Please like, share, and subscribe for more simple English stories. See you next time, my friends.